Hi, how's it going? This is Dr. Roz again, and welcome to the third in our video series of redoing the experiment involving McDonald's French fries. Okay, well, if you've watched video 1 and 2, you know that this is really just our third week. We've done one every week, every 7 days. Today is Easter Sunday, and the date is actually April 12th, 4:31 p.m. And being that it's our third video, I think this is going to be our conclusion video. You are about to find out why. In our first video, we told you that we're under a very controlled climate condition here in the kitchen. There's no direct sunlight coming in. In fact, you're actually just getting more light here than there usually is because we have them on for the purposes of recording. We have AC that's well and working. And really, I mean, the temperature is pretty well controlled. We have a glass jar, we have some French fries, and we were hoping that originally what would happen was what happened in the movie Super Size Me, in which case the French fries outlived every other piece of food that was in glass jars. Namely, they lasted for over 10 weeks before they got thrown away, according to the video. Now, we did one video, we introduced you to it, we said we were going to do. We did video 2. In video 2, you started seeing some spotting of French fries, little green spots forming, obviously just it's breaking down. So, what it's supposed to do, food should break down. So, in video 3, you are going to see what has happened now to these lovely French fries, and you will probably find them unrecognizable and certainly not delicious. Here are the French fries as they're week 3. Hopefully we got some good light here, and can you see that? Yeah? Okay, so you can see here, they are nasty. I mean, these things have almost no color of white anywhere left on. A little bit down here, but I don't think that's the color of white from the original French fry. I think that might be a whole new kind of thing growing at this point. They are little green fuzzy things at this point. I mean, they're done. This is it. There's no way 10 weeks is going to make a difference. I mean, I don't know. This thing might get up and walk away if I leave it here for 10 weeks. And really, I don't want to go through that and scare the neighbors or, have the CDC fly down here or anything. So this is pretty much it. I mean, these things didn't last what we thought they would. Now, so the question then becomes, what went wrong? Well, it could be that something that Morgan Spurlock from the movie did was different. Maybe he had a different airtight container, I thought. I don't know. Or I actually think that the second theory is more likely. And I did contact a source who said they had spoken with somebody that said that there had been plans for McDonald's to change the way they were preparing these French fries as far as the oils that were being used. And the theory is that the oils and the lipids, along with whatever preservatives I guess they were using, would have been so thick and so, covering on French fries that it would have been harder for the bacteria to really get on there and start breaking it down or whatnot. And I guess what would have happened, my guess, is McDonald's would have been tired of people reenacting the experiment from Super Size Me, because you have to consider the movie came out a while back. So if that's the case, there's a good chance that what really happened is McDonald's may have changed a recipe in their preparation for the French fries. If that's the case, then that certainly explains what's gone wrong here, or I guess gone right for McDonald's. Because apparently the food is not the Superman food we thought it was going to be. So it did break down. We have rotten food. We have mold on here and all kinds of nasty goodness. Maybe you can put those two words together. Nasty goodness. That's what we have here. All right. Well, that concludes the experiment. Thank you guys for watching. And for those of you that subscribed, or for those of you that made it part of your favorites, I really thank you. I appreciate it. And I will get back to you with some other kind of fun-filled Dr. Roz, science, health, wellness, nutrition, balance your life kind of thing here pretty soon. So stay tuned, keep watching. Much love to you all. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.